Responsive planning means that the children are in the centre of their planning. It means that as adults we're not deciding what the children are going to do. It means that we give that over to the children to decide. This doesn't mean that we ask the children, what do you want to do? It means that we really respond to their observations, how they play, their interests and their likes. We then build on those as we're communicating to be responsive to their play. So the child's voice and following the child's voice doesn't necessarily mean it has to be the loudest child in the room. It just means that every child has a voice in whichever way they use it, or even if the child is non-verbal, they still have a voice in the way that they present themselves, whether that's how they play and interact with others. It's important that we follow that in whichever way they are using their voice, and then we can expand on what we see, their observations, to then be able to follow them and the way that they want to lead their play and activities. So we just want clear, precise evidence for each child individually and as a whole group. We want the natural evidence, so pictures and quick observations. What we don't want to see is people walking around with a clipboard, that they're sitting back, not really interacting with any children or playing with any children, just writing down. We want the natural in the moment.
Well, planning as part of the team, we've already assessed all the children, so all the feedback then that we've received from there will go into the planning, so we know what the next steps will be.
I think it's important to hold staff meetings. Every staff member gets an input into what's happening in the provision, and I also think it's important that they're heard within the staff meetings. They gain an understanding of what's going on, they share good practice with each other and come together as a team.
Spontaneous learning is an opportunity for children to learn in the moment. Spontaneous learning is so exciting for children. So when you think of a child maybe with a potato in the home corner making chips for their friends, and within an hour they may have made chips in the setting, and they will have learnt so many life skills with their peers as well.